It's week 2 of my journey with you guys in the boot camp and writing my own book. If you're new to this video series, I'm writing a suspense novel, which is a big pivot from what I've been doing in the past. I mainly wrote romance, women's fiction, and romantic suspense. To pivot into straight suspense without a romantic storyline is hitting a whole new audience, and it's a big risk for me because it may not even be the audience that currently reads me, so the book may flop. Last week I talked about how I did my planning process and wrote those first 2 or 3 pages, which I loved, of course, because you're still in that honeymoon phase where it's like, oh, this is a fun book. This is going to work out great. Now I'm on chapter 2, and it's a dual protagonist book. I figured out my first character a little bit. I don't know who this second character is at all, so I'm struggling with putting her on the page because I don't really know who she is. I know very little about her involvement in the suspense plot so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step back and I'm going to kind of sketch her out this week and figure out who she is and what she wants. She's going to have a slightly different what if from my main protagonist, but they're both going to be wrapped up into the suspense plot. And hopefully the reader's not going to know which one of them is more involved than the other. But I'm going to sit down and apply the lessons from the boot camp so that I can get through chapter 3, which is when the first turning point is going to happen. And that's something I'll talk about in lesson 3. And I'm going to be doing it right alongside you guys. I don't know if this is going to succeed or it's going to totally fail, but I'm willing to take the chance and write a new book just so you guys can see how I do it at the same time as you are. So over the next 12 weeks, that's what I'm going to be doing, is working on this book and getting that first draft done. If you want to join me and get the lessons that I'm teaching at the same time, you can join the boot camp. The link is in the description, or just watch the videos and you can see how it does and see if I struggle with writing a totally new genre or if I finally hit my stride and figure it out. I hope I do. I really hope I do. I know how to write a book, but that's always a big risk and a new learning curve.